How's it going, Chris? What's going on, Sammy? Alright guys, first break of the night, we got break 296. We got a Mosaic full Cello box, 12 packs, 15 cards per pack. Oh, not much. While we're waiting on a few others to get in, we'll go ahead and count these out. Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs, and there's our 12. There's our empty box. And we'll separate the pink camo packs from the regular. We'll open the regular first, and then we'll finish up with those pinks. Actually, Tyler, we do have some teams available. We do have teams available. Let me give you a rundown of the list. Teams open for this break. We have the Cardinals, Falcons, Panthers, Broncos, Raiders, and Seahawks. So Cardinals, Falcons, Panthers, Broncos, Raiders, and the Seahawks. I had them posted up for $6 per team. If you have a team in the break, I'll ship with your other teams. I will need shipping if you're not in the break, but I'm looking to make a closeout deal if you're interested in all the teams. So $6 a team, I'll ship with your team from eBay, or I can ship for $4, or I'll do $20 for the remaining 6 teams. While you're thinking about that, I'm going to go ahead and get these packs opened up. Yeah, if you're in the next break, I'll just ship with those cards, not a problem. So yeah, whatever teams you want. Since I don't have to, I'm already shipping you, so just whatever, $6 per team. And all right, $20 for remaining teams. Sounds good. And I have PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. Just let me know which one of those you prefer. Alright, Venmo is alright, there's my Venmo. It's jzeller-11. And let me know when you send it. I'll go ahead and take a look, and then we'll get started. How's it going, Jay? Just getting started. We had someone claim the remaining team, so we're just separating the packs out. And we're going to start with the regular and finish with the pink camos. Kind of already digging the energy, guys. We got a little bit of a crowd in here. Lately, we've been getting a lot more YouTubers, so definitely dig the Facebook support, guys. Appreciate it. All right, Tyler, got it. We'll go ahead and get started, guys. What's going on, Brandon? All right, good luck, guys. See if we can't hit some sort of Genesis or a honeycomb or something tonight. Tremaine Edmonds. Andre Johnson. Joe Burrow. Drew Brees. LaVisca. Peyton Manning, Man of the Year. Justin Herbert on the AFC. Green Mosaic, Aaron Rodgers. Color match for the Packers. Got Game, Derrick Henry. Touchdown Masters, Mike Evans. Our rookies are Trey Nixon and Azeez Ujulari. Kyler Murray, Drew Lock, Cam Newton, Jamison Crowder, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Rodgers Super Bowl MVPs, Calais Campbell Man of the Year, Green Mosaic Cam Newton for the Patriots, Andre Reed Hall of Fame, Travis Kelce got Game. Our rookies are Nashawn Wright for the Cowboys and a Jamar Chase for the Bengals. Nice hit for the Bengals with the true Jamar. J.K. Dobbins, Jeff Okuda, DJ Chark, Kirk Cousins, Jamal Adams, Jerome Bettis Man of the Year, Deshaun Watson, Green Mosaic Tyler Boyd, Got Game Roquan Smith, Hollow Mosaic Touchdown Masters Nick Chubb. Rookies are Anthony Schwartz and Amari Rogers. DeForest Buckner, Nick Chubb, DeAndre Hopkins, Malcolm Jenkins, Charles Woodson, Dak Prescott, Joe Montana, Green Mosaic Myles Garrett. There we go, Jay. A little color for your Browns. Touchdown Masters Tyreek Hill. Hollow Mosaic Aaron Jones Bang for the Packers. Terrace Marshall and a Jamar Jefferson for the rookies. Patrick Queen, Donald Driver, LaVisca, Max Crosby, Jerome Bettis, Derrick Henry AFC, Kenneth Gainwell on the debut, Green Mosaic Kyler Murray for the Cardinals, Touchdown Masters Derrick Henry, a Green Mosaic Will to Win Joe Burrow for the Bengals, Gary Brightwell, and Dax Milne. Allen Robinson, Mark Brunell, Taysom Hill, Terry McLaurin, LaMichael Pirine, Tua, Rashad Bateman, debut, Green Mosaic Andre Johnson for the Texans. We have a Got Game Darren Waller, Green Mosaic Jonathan Taylor, Bang, Greg Rousseau, and a Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. Nice hit for the Falcons. Peyton Manning, Jalen Reagor, Tua. Yeah, that's a nice Pitts rookie for your cleanups teams, Tyler. Nice start there. J.J. Watt, Derrick Henry, Kenneth Gainwell debut, green mosaic Julio Jones for the Falcons. We have Bears on the Hall of Fame, Urlacher. Patrick Mahomes bang for the Chiefs. Pat Freiermuth. And a Frank Darby. Alright, we got 5 regular packs, and then we have all 12 pink camo packs to go. Derek Brown, Jonathan Taylor, Odell Beckham Jr. for the Browns, Antoine Winfield Jr., Michael Strahan, Larry Fitzgerald, Ben Roethlisberger, green mosaic Dak Prescott for the Cowboys, touchdown masters Kyler Murray, hollow mosaic Randy Moss on the Hall of Fame. Nice hit for the Vikings. Seth Williams and a Greg Rousseau. Still lacking on the QBs. Hopefully they're all hiding in the pink. Yeah, those touchdown masters, they have like the bigger heads. They're kind of funny. Like giant head. Donald Driver, Robbie Anderson, Quentin Nelson, Michael Thomas, Joe Schobert, Tom Brady Super Bowl MVPs for the Patriots, Man of the Year Drew Brees, green mosaic Alvin Kamara for the Saints, another touchdown masters, this time Adam Thielen for the Vikings, Steve Young Hall of Fame. Rookies are a Dez Fitzpatrick and Jalen Camp. Quentin Nelson, Baker Mayfield, Billy Sims, Brandon Ayuk, Antonio Gibson. There's a Zach Wilson debut. Little rookie QB action. Kyler Murray NFC. Green mosaic Jalen Smith. Will to win Russell Wilson. Hollow mosaic Emmitt Smith, Hall of Fame. Pete Werner and a Chuba Hubbard. Adrian Amos, Brian Urlacher, Malcolm Jenkins, Charles Woodson, Jalen Rager, Warren Moon, Nick Chubb AFC, green Mosaic Leonard Williams for the Giants. Got some here. Will to win Dalvin Cook. We have a color match for the Packers, Aaron Jones Bang on the green. A Najee Harris for the Steelers. Nice hit for the Steelers. And a Penei Sewell for the Lions. Jerry Jeudy, Josh Allen, Robert Tonyan, Cam Akers, Taysom Hill, Larry Fitzgerald, Ben Roethlisberger AFC, green Mosaic Mike Evans for the Bucks, got game Calvin Ridley, touchdown masters Adam Thielen. Rookies are Terrace Marshall and Jamar Jefferson. Alright guys, now it's time for the pink packs. Alright, Aaron Rodgers, Antonio Gibson, and a Justin Fields debut. Nice hit for the Bears. Saving those rookie QBs for the pinks. I like it. Not sure if you have that one yet, Sammy, but nice hit. Nice hit for your Bears. All right, pack 2. Andre Johnson, Michael Thomas, and Frank Darby. Larry Johnson, Elijah Mitchell for the Niners, and a Derek Carr. Andy Dalton, Brandon Ayuk, and a Penei Sewell. There's a pink Randy Moss for the Vikings. Jamar Jefferson. And Von Miller Super Bowl MVPs. Chase Winovich, Greg Newsome for Jays Browns, and a Jerome Bettis Man of the Year. Javon Curse, Eric Stokes, and a Lamar Jackson. LaVisca, Jamin Davis, and a Mac Jones debut. Saving all those QBs for the pinks. I like it. Nice hit for the Patriots. Now Justin Fields isn't so lonely up there. Oh, there we go, a little pink Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Fletcher Cox and Dax Milne. We got 3 packs left. Christian McCaffrey, Blake Martinez, and Amari Rodgers. Carson Wentz, Sean Alexander, Tyler getting some nice pink out of his closeout deal, and a Tutu Atwell for Brandon. Getting some pink for Brandon's Rams. Alright, last pack, guys. Ray Lewis, Myles Gaskin, and a Ray Lewis. Double Ray Lewis out of that last pack. Super Bowl MVPs and the base. Alright, I got 2 bonus retail packs of Absolute Football. and then I'll do a hit breakdown for you guys. It's a little bonus action, some retail packs. Andy Dalton, Jimmy G, Joe Mixon on the yellow insert. Patriots, we got a Ramondre Stevenson and a Ernest Jones for the Rams. James Robinson, Scary Terry. We got a rookie Kelvin Joseph on the yellow, Brevin Jordan, and an Anthony Schwartz to finish us up. Alright guys, I'll do a quick hit breakdown for you. Do appreciate you guys for jumping in, grabbing some teams off of the eBay store or the Facebook group. Both are much appreciated. I also have some open teams left for the next break if anybody's wanting to jump in. I think there was like 6 teams available. Definitely check the Facebook page out or jump in the live. Alright, breakdown. We got Tutu Atwell in the pink, Amari Rogers, Joe Burrow, Dax Milne, Jamin Davis, Eric Stokes, Lamar Jackson, Greg Newsome, Randy Moss, Jamar Jefferson, Penei Sewell, Elijah Mitchell, Derek Carr, Frank Darby, Aaron Rodgers, Green Mosaic Mike Evans, Aaron Jones Bang, Najee Harris, Zach Wilson debut, Hollow Mosaic Emmitt Smith, Alvin Kamara Green, Tom Brady Super Bowl MVPs, Dak Prescott Green, Randy Moss Hollow Mosaic, Julio Jones, Patrick Mahomes Bang, Andre Johnson Green, Jonathan Taylor Green Mosaic Bang, Kyle Pitts True Rookie, Kyler Murray Green, Joe Burrow Will to Win Green Mosaic, got an Aaron Jones Hollow Mosaic Bang, Myles Garrett Green, Tyler Boyd Green, Nick Chubb Hollow Mosaic Touchdown Masters, Jamar Chase True Rookie, Aaron Rodgers NFC Green Color Match, and our 2 big hits that came out of the pink. We have the Justin Fields NFL debut pink camo and the Mac Jones NFL debut pink camo. Nice hits for the Bears and the Patriots. And that's all for break 296, guys. Appreciate you guys' support, and if you guys have teams in 297, I'll see you guys in about 25 minutes or so. Have a good rest of you guys.